Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to teach you how to make homemade sanitizer. For that, we require there are some chemicals required. There is ethyl alcohol, glycerol, sodium hydroxide, or common salt. That is enough. If you have aloe vera in the home, you can able to add to get gel formation. If you have any oil, you can able to put neem oil. If you have neem leaves, you put the leaves. 15 to 20 leaves put in a vessel and boil that leaf. Afterwards you get the extract. Afterwards, if you have a cancer rosacea, this is a flower cancer rosacea, you can able it is available in your home. Okay, you can put cancer rosacea. This is the best medicine for cancer also, this one. This particular cancer rosacea, it is in Tamil, it is called as Nitya Kalyani. And now from these things we will make sanitizer, which will be very helpful. Now we have alcohol. Okay, just I have put alcohol. It is already I have put the alcohol. Just 100 ml alcohol is there. I put 100 ml. I will transfer into 400 ml conical flask. Only alcohol and water. With the help of alcohol and water, you can't able to make sanitizer. But the thing is, you want to show the structure, you have to add glycerol. Glycerol it is already available. If you add glycerol, you will get in your hands as a softie. So for softie structure, we will put glycerol. We will add 10 ml of glycerol into 100 ml of alcohol. Okay, 10 ml of glycerol into 10 ml. There is 100 ml of alcohol. Okay. If you want more softness in your hand, you add there is a 5 ml of sodium hydroxide. Otherwise, if you have a common salt, you put it common salt. It's a 5 ml of sodium hydroxide. I will add it. Afterwards, just I will shake this particular thing. Okay. Now I will add there's a neem extract. And the filter paper I have to turn into 3 leaves and I have to transfer this into a compound. This is a neem extract. Once we add, this is the color of our composition will be converts into fluorescent color. Just 20 ml of extract I have added. Afterwards, the 5 ml of this is a flower extract. This is a Nitya Kalyani flower extract. I have made extract. I will add this one. After adding this, if you have an aloe vera plant, cut the plant and remove the extract using with the help of a knife and cut into small pieces. If you want to boil, you can able to boil. Otherwise, you can able to put it in a mortar. If you have a grinder or mixie, you put it in these aloe vera extract. Afterwards, you mortar it for some time. Afterwards, you add this one into your composition. Okay, it is already gel type. If you have a glycerol, it is not required. If you didn't have glycerol, you can able to add. But these two things you can able to add. Nothing will happen. Okay, you have to take for concentration, mixing. If you have some kind of fragrance in your home, you can able to add this fragrance. Afterwards, this particular mixture I will transfer into a 100 ml 100 ml, that is a sanitizing bottle. You have to filter it and you have to transfer it, because some kind of formation will be there. Okay. In this way, you can able to develop sanitizer, homemade sanitizer. It is antibacterial, because we are using neem plants. Because the aloe vera gel, it gets stretched. Okay, you can add some more. Okay, and you close it with the help of the spray type of bottle. It is available in the market for 10 to 15 rupees. Afterwards, you can able to use this as a sanitizer. You can able to clean your hands and you can able to rub it. Within 10 seconds, the alcohol will be gone over and some infectious diseases you can able to clean with the help of sanitizer, and you will get this. You can able to make this type of solution in your home itself within 20 rupees. So the bottle will cost around 10 rupees, and remaining the thing, there is a mixture component. You can able to add it, and you have to see that we are adding water also. It is a 40% of water we will add. Okay, and this type of you can able to make it in your home, and you can able to keep it. This is called home-based sanitizer. Okay, now hands get clean. My hands get clean about 90%. Thank you.